Autel IM508 and IM608 2025 update. Subaru Forester and BRZ get free PIN key programming. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and I welcome you back to Baabji Motors, your ultimate hub for everything related to automobile diagnostics, key programming, and cutting-edge ECU technology. Before we jump into today's exciting update, here's a quick but important note. This video is strictly for educational and informational purposes. Everything we share here is meant to help technicians, learners, and auto enthusiasts grow their skills responsibly. All trademarks belong to their respective owners, and we always recommend following manufacturer guidelines and local laws when working on any vehicle system. Now, here's a question for you. Which car brand do you think just got one of the biggest key programming upgrades of 2025? Stick with me till the end, because you might be surprised when you hear how Autel's latest update completely changes the game for Subaru users, especially for the Forester and the BRZ. Let's get into the details. Autel has just rolled out a major immobilizer software update for its popular Maxim IM508S and IM608 Pro series, dated October 15th, 2025, with a version labeled version 5.40. And this isn't just another minor patch. This update is packed with massive improvements across multiple Asian brands, especially in key learning, immobilizer recovery, and all keys loss functions. Let's start with Nissan, where the update brings in a brand new IMMO recovery method for the X-Trail, which is a big deal for technicians who've struggled with immobilizer synchronization in recent models. Another highlight here is the password-free smart key learning feature added for the Magnite 2023 and newer, a major upgrade that removes the hassle of PIN entry, making the process faster and more technician-friendly. Autel also expanded IMMO learning support for models like the Townstar 2021 onward, Patrol 2025, Frontier, Kicks, and Pathfinder, basically giving full coverage across Nissan's best-selling lineup. Next, moving to Suzuki, the update now supports all keys loss programming for newer hybrids such as the Ertiga Hybrid, Dzire, and Grand Vitara Hybrid. Imagine being able to restore access to these hybrid systems without the original key. This saves both time and cost in real-world service scenarios. Additionally, new IMMO learning functions have been added for models like the Across 2022 and newer, and the Swace 2022 onward, which are built on Toyota's shared architecture, showing Autel's commitment to deeper integration across platforms. Now, for Mitsubishi, Autel has made some serious strides. The update introduces IMMO learning functions for the L200 Triton series, covering all major variants with chassis codes LA#, LB#, and LC#, plus support for the L100 EV, an impressive addition for those working on electric commercial vehicles. It doesn't stop there. Models like the EX, EK-Wagon, EK-Space, and X-Space from 2024 are now supported too. The Outlander series also gets attention, including both GN# 2022 and newer, and GR# 2024 onward variants such as the X-Force and Outlander Sport. When it comes to Hyundai, the brand gets several powerful upgrades. The new update brings key learning functions for the Kona SX2, 2023 and newer, Genesis GV70, JK1A 2025, and the popular Ioniq 5Neat EV 2025. For technicians, this means instant compatibility with the latest EV and SUV platforms. Additionally, Autel now supports password calculation with OEM keys for models using the 47 Smart Key system, such as the Mistra 2017, Tucson 2019, and Veloster 2019. For 4A Smart Key systems, coverage now includes the Venue 2020 to 2021 and the I-10 2020. And yes, password reading via OBD is now possible for 6A Smart Key models like the Elantra AD 2020 and newer, simplifying the whole process even further. Kia users are also in for a treat. The update adds key learning support for the futuristic EV6 2022 to 2025 and the massive EV9 2025, meaning these high-end electric SUVs are now easier to service and program. Password calculation via OEM key is now possible for Optima 2019, Sedona, 2015 to 2019, and Sorrento, 2015 to 2018, with 47 smart keys. Meanwhile, for A, smart key coverage expands to Sportage, 2018 to 2022, and Carnival KA4, 2022. And once again, Autel proves its OBD integration power by allowing password reading for Celtos, SP2 and SP2i, 2020 to 2021, making these routine programming tasks far more efficient. Now, let's move to the highlight of this update, the Subaru lineup, which just got a set of upgrades that many technicians have been waiting for. Autel has officially added key learning functions for the Impreza, 2022 onward, and Forester, 2022 onward. But the real breakthrough is the password-free smart key learning function for the BRZ, 2022 and newer, and the Forester, 2025 and newer. This is marked as a major upgrade in the release notes. It means that even if all smart keys are lost, you can now reprogram new ones without needing the PIN code. That's a massive time saver, especially in high-end Subaru models that used to require dealer access for PIN retrieval. To top it off, the Outback, 2021 and newer, now gets a password-free all smart keys lost function too. This makes the Subaru section of this update one of the most technician-friendly improvements Autel has ever rolled out. Finally, Infiniti also gets new IMMO learning functions for the 2025 lineup, including the QX50, QX55, and QX60, ensuring that luxury vehicles aren't left behind in Autel's constant innovation race. So, what does all this mean in real-world workshops? It means less time spent waiting for PIN codes, fewer dealership dependencies, and faster, smoother programming for both hybrid and EV systems. For technicians, this update represents a huge productivity boost, and for end users, it translates to quicker service and lower costs. And now, to answer that question from the beginning, yes, Subaru takes the crown this time. The 2025 Autel update has truly transformed key programming for Subaru's modern lineup, making password-free smart key learning a reality for the BRZ and Forester. In my personal opinion, this update is one of Autel's most impactful software releases of the year. It doesn't just improve convenience. It shows how fast diagnostic technology is evolving to keep pace with modern automotive systems. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about this update? Have you tried any of these new IMMO functions yet? Share your experiences in the comments below. And before you go, here's a quick fun fact. Did you know that the Subaru Forester was one of the first compact SUVs to introduce an advanced eyesight system that could detect vehicles, pedestrians, and even cyclists? That same spirit of innovation continues with this key programming upgrade. If you found this video helpful, let's aim high together. Our target is 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments to keep these updates coming strong. Don't forget to hype this video, drop your feedback, and subscribe to Baabji Motors for more deep dive tutorials and tool updates. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and, as always, happy diagnosing.